Hi, this is my video for the Internet of Things. So the first slide is what is IoT? IoT is the Internet of Things. It's an interconnected system of computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people with unique identifiers that can exchange data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. IoT technological characteristics: intelligence comes with algorithms and computation, software and hardware that makes it smart. Connectivity brings together everyday objects, contributes towards the collective intelligence in IoT networks. Who is using IoT? Who is current and potential users of IoT? Manufacturing, transportation, and utility organizations. What are current and future job opportunities that IoT drives? IoT systems administrators, IoT infrastructure architects. Why are they using IoT? Strengths: access to latest news from anywhere. Professionals have IoT devices in healthcare, e-commerce, and AI. Weaknesses: stealing data or hacking into IoT devices are very easy. Opportunities: telemedicine, health surveillance, real-time sensor data. Threats: insufficient data protection, unsecured financial information. Where are they using IoT? Where can you see the application of areas of IoT? Mostly big cities that have the funds to start having better IoT. I could probably see that starting off more and a bigger mass of it being produced. If rural areas have access to IoT, it would probably be for like educational purposes and more industry purposes for jobs and stuff like that, and probably not as advanced. Are there any challenges or opportunities for using IoT in those areas? Lack of regulation. Medical devices, children's toys, and cars are able to be connected to the internet. It could have major problems. They've got cybersecurity challenges, but opportunities is like it's good for personal safety and security. When are they using IoT? When do you see the mass adoption of IoT? In 2021, 12.3 billion active endpoints worldwide were connected to IoT devices. As early as 2025, that number is expected to double to 27 billion. What are the barriers to its mass adoption? Data privacy concerns, security concerns, high cost of implementation, and the lack of standards. How can IoT help solve local SDG issues in your favorite country to help achieve a better and more sustainable future for all? How can IoT be used to solve? It can help with reduction and climate change mitigation, promote international dialogue and cooperation for IoT for sustainable development, contributes to global research and discussions on IoT for smart and sustainable cities through global initiatives. Two truths and a lie: IoT has a lack of regulation. Stealing data from IoT is easy. It's not good for personal safety and security.